cheesecake. It's got some strawberries in it. That's fantastic. If you like cheesecake, you're gonna like this. Cheesecake can be very contentious, so we'll see. But that's fantastic. If you like cold pumpkin stuff, it's got some crunch, like the crust would be. That's up there, but it's definitely sweeter than some may like.
Sit right here. Oh, you come right here, take. You come right here.
Again, another. Well, I didn't realize how many people don't like peanut butter. That brings heat. That brings heat. There's a cookie dough, Reese Pieces. So if you like that mix, I think that's fantastic. It's more so like a summer movie bucket list type blizzard than a fall one, but it's great. Oh, those are good. What I didn't realize is how divided the house can be between mint Oreo. People love mint, hate mint. There's no in between, but that's right on the nose with that flavor. It's more mint than it is a Girl Scout cookie thin mint. Woo! Woo! All right. That is coffee. Coffee person, I think you may thoroughly enjoy those ones.
Did you get the caramel? More coffee.
More coffee. Coffee is stronger than the caramel on that one.
Oreo fudge
man. Ooh, now that, it's heavy, it's full. I think I could only eat a mini of this, but that is a chocolate lover. That's gonna be up there in the top for me. But that's still more spring, summer, like chocolate blast almost. That's old person. Old people will love this. It got crunchies. Oh, it's got crunchies.
It's supposed to be like a chocolate mousse pie.
Yeah, old people love this. It's good. I don't want that much different.
This is the picture of it.
Yeah. I don't want this, but see, that's the thing is in that pie, it's not as crunchy as this is because it's fitting so many different things in it. It's got a little marshmallow on it. It's good, but I think that's old person city. That's a lot going on. This has more caramel in it than the Java. There is almost like a toffee explosion, chewy. A lot going on. Not my cup of tea, but it is flavorful. Number one for me, a cheesecake. 2, the brownie. 3, Reese's cookie. 4, pumpkin pie. 5, mint chocolate chip Oreo. 6, Java chip. 7, the salty caramel truffle. And 8, the silk pie. That's it. I'd eat them all, but the top 4 is where I would say, like, I would definitely get the other ones if someone gave it to me. I'd probably eat it, but I'd be like, all right. So, next.
What? Your Hot Wheels?
That's good. That is good. That is straight cheesecake. If you like strawberry cheesecake, that's the one to go. Good first. I'm gonna go this way.
Say, I like it school.
See, I like the silk pie, but it's just a lot of crunch for me in that particular version of the Blizzard.
It literally tastes like the Edwards pie.
Oh, that's right.
So we get those pretty regularly. So pretty good. Good contenders up here. I do like it.
Something.
Yeah, it's very chocolatey. I don't know. I feel like there's not a lot of lots of different flavors. Like the first two, you got the cheesecake and the strawberry, and then the pie. You got the crunch. You got the chocolate. You got the cream. This one's just low on the flavor profile. It is good if you like chocolate and brown. Definitely peanut butter. I like it better than I thought. Nope. I don't really know that I know what pecan pie truly like tastes like, because I like to say skip it. But yeah, this is the last one for me. Solid choice. Coffee.
This is cheesecake.
Straight coffee.
Where about before they go to bed? Oh yeah, that's what I said. What?
Yeah, I don't know that. I don't know, it's kind of bland too. If you like salted caramel, I guess it's good, but I was wanting more. More. Okay, this is what I got. My number 1 ranking was the cheesecake. Number 2 was the French silk pie. 3, mint Oreo. 4 is the brownie. 5 is the Reese's cookie dough. 6 is the Java chip. Then pumpkin pie. Then salted caramel. And that's it. In October, coming back around to Miami, Indiana.
That's cheesecake.
Okay.
Okay.
She from Canada?
Oh yeah, Canada.
Damn, cheeks!
No, going on here. Oh. I'm not sure what all these crunchy bits are, but
Yeah, see, that's how I felt. That's how I felt.
I got the chocolate, maybe some graham cracker.
It's
Okay.
like the chocolate shavings at the top.
It's not very minty.
Really?
I'm not getting
You
a lot of
didn't think
mint on
so? That's wild.
But
Yeah. Oreo fudge brownie.
that. Oh yeah. I'm here all day.
Yeah.
you like the brownie pieces too, I'm sure.
Oh,
The
yeah.
texture.
Yeah.
I don't like crunchy textures with ice cream, but I do prefer like the softness of the brownie.
Yeah, I can agree with that.
There's the Reese's Pieces. That's enough for me.
I said that in mine. I knew that was going to be a no for you.
It's
Caramel Java chip.
Oh, I just taste coffee.
Yeah, that's it.
That's so like
so strong.
Ooh. I was hoping this would be better. It's a little like too artificial.
That's fair. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. I mean, it's all of them. Number 1, we're going Oreo brownie. That was fantastic. I'm gonna have to stick that hole in when nobody's looking. 2, we'll go cheesecake. There's a big gap between 2 and 3 for me. I think the truffle's gonna be 3.
Reese's will be 8 only because I don't like the candy. We'll put the Silk Pot at 7. It's too much going on.
Yeah.
I guess it's Java Chip at 6. This artificial pumpkin pie, and then the surprise probably is the mint at
Yeah,
4.
that surprised me a lot. The mint up there at 4.
It's not too like minty,
All right.
but like I said, there is a gap between 1 and 2.
2 and 3.
Or yeah, 2 and 3.
Reese Pieces cookie dough.
That one tastes just like this, just like the cereal.
Mm.
If you get the Reese Pieces cereal, that would taste just like the cereal.
Reese Puffs is the cereal, right? Is it
No,
Reese Pieces cereal?
it's like Reese Puffs, but it's like the
Okay.
peanut butter and chocolate mix. That one's pretty good. That one's got like that hint of like Rocky Road with the chocolate in it and like marshmallows
Extra
in it.
nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's got that hint of like Rocky Road. You get a coffee taste towards the end, towards the end of it, and then the chip to me is more like one of those wafer chips. It may not be a wafer chip, but something similar to that. Hot take: I don't like pumpkin pie. Yeah, that one's too artificial. Not enough of the real stuff, I guess. That's disgusting. It's very minty. I wish they would have put a little not ground up the chocolate so much. Have little chocolate chunks in there to make it a little bit better.
Truffle.
Truffle. That's definitely truffle ice cream. You get the caramel in the front, and more of the truffle chocolateness in the back. Once again, I'm not a big cheesecake fan. Add cheesecake for you. Got the dough or the pie filling to it. They had nailed that one on the head. That's fuck. I can eat that whole thing now. All right. Fudge brownie number 1. The Reese's cookies number 2. Pumpkin pie is number 8. Cheesecake is number 7. The mint is number 3. The salty caramel is number 4. And silk pie is number 5. But 4 and 5 could be interchangeable, but that's what I got right there.
Decent. Good. Am I rating it 1 through 5 too?
No.
Okay. It all could change. I don't know.
Oreo fudge brownie.
All pretty yummy. But I really like caramel. like that. Ugh. Ugh. It's like almost sour. It's bad pumpkin. Nothing wrong with cookie dough. I'm pretty good too. What fruit is that?
Strawberry.
I'm pretty good. I don't love fruit in my ice cream. All right, I'm going coffee, mint, caramel, cheesecake, Reese's, brownie, silk pie, pumpkin pie.
Taste
You like
them.
trucks?
I taste them. I know.
Oh, you dropped. Oh, don't hit it.
It's good though, but it's good.
Okay. What do you think your score should be?
Number one.
A 1. Okay. All right.
Now try the other ones. I finished the other ice cream that's in my mouth. These are better.
All right. What's your thoughts?
It's good though, but it's very good too.
Yeah.
Going for a second bite.
Yeah.
Is it better than the last one?
Better than the last one.
Yep.
Interesting.
Okay.
What's the score on that one?
Number 2.
Oh, okay.
Now let's try this one,
Alright.
Oreo, and see what it tastes like.
Good.
Or maybe I can try 2 of them.
Go ahead.
Yummy.
Got a new favorite.
Here, show the camera what you're trying. You gotta show.
Mmm. Why?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What's your score?
Mmm. I just want to eat the ice cream.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
No.
Okay.
All right. Good stuff.